See it here, my peeps. You can see the violence down at the World War II bunker here. Hey guys, I'm walking in the bunker today again for part 2. Today we're trying to clean out most of the dirt. We're trying to clean out most of the dirt out of the bunker so people have access to actually go down inside of the bunker. You understand? So we are work. Kleine Videos machen. Ja. So my peeps, so it's going so far? Good. We are work. I understand we have to do like about 30% of the job already. I understand. There are only more left but for work instead. Don't have the back me there, you know. Work in progress. Holy for work this, you know. Panda peeps. Holy for work this. A little bit of work this. That me I tell you now. See what go on there? Holy for little insect and everything there. Hundreds of them. So what really happen, guys? When the bomb hit, come like a whole of the roof has to break out. Whole of the roof break out. And that's why we have some people here. Steel to a boot, you know. Yeah. I'll go on this some work, you know. So guys, it's been 2 hours in the bunker working straight. So after 2 hours, that's how they make me show them. You have to go there after 2 hours. Nach 2 Stunden haben wir viel gemacht. Viel. Ja. So what happens, peeps, them get it out. After we get it out of the bunker now, them load it in the wheelbarrow. You know, because you probably wonder where all of the debris go. Them load it in the wheelbarrow. You see them work in a shift and then them push it up in a little container thing there, and then we go get it from there. So wait, go dash it. Watch your teamwork now, watch your teamwork. Up on the side, up, over. Yeah man, eat that. Just clean out in my nose holding the block like hell. Peel bus. Lie down in a wheelbarrow. Some break, you know, babes? Yeah. Old-time rifle in there. Look up in the nozzle. you know a look at tour so far as to where I can go. Two different sides. One side that's a black up. How far could it? Oh not. The next side over there so come like it black up too. But I'm gonna get to no down there, my peeps. Believe me, I'll get to no down there. I have a little flashlight, you know. Let me see if I can tune it up a little bit better. What kind of light this? Light ain't a good, bro. Full light, me have to work with. See it, my peeps. You can see the violence down in the World War II bunker. You understand, it black up to one part and you know you can go around and all sort of different things. Yeah. You can go underneath the town really far. But the light ain't ready. This light now go can carry me. So what me have to do, me have to go come back. Yeah, me have to go come back, my peeps. The phone light itself no don't good and this not sufficient. I think that the light did hot, but the light not hot. This now go can carry me. Cause I want to know if you see everything and see it clearly. You understand me? So this is just the part 2 and we are go come back for the second or the third part. Let me go on a small look on the side there. Small look over here, so. So yeah, that side there, the side of them is black up. So you can't go too far. Yeah. You know them and that year so big enough actually for all 1,600 people. And you can't go crazy far underneath the city. Yeah, so this is the side of them so black up. We have to go work and get this clear. We have to put in some lighting system and all of that so people can get if they come in here just, you know, the regular tour style, you put on a helmet and you just go. You don't need to worry about lighting and all of that like me. You understand? So me one of the first batch of people that get to do this. I'm kind of feel proud of myself, you know. So again, my peeps, we have to go come back on next time and do the thing properly. Again, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah. And stay tuned, there are a whole heap of wild adventure coming up. Big up on yourself. Ein was?
Dynamit, muss sprengen.
Gebohrt, löschen.
Ja, löschen.
Ja, Dynamit. TNT.
Ah, TNT. Ah, okay. You see this? Dynamite wall. Yes, man.